Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. Right. Okay, so welcome back to my channel. So I want to show you a very nice tritone passing chord that you can use for your 1 to your 2. Holy God, do it again. Woo. Do it again in my life. Put my heart to see Jesus. See that upon the throne. Church modes right there is on the channel. I've taught that already too. Okay, so before I show you that, I want to introduce you, if you've not seen that yet, to my intermediate piano course. Right, this is it, over 2 hours pre-recorded video lessons where I carefully taught those syllables, all those topics, with practical examples you see on the screen. So we are quite carefully taught them in the key of C, in the key of F, in the key of F sharp, those popular keys, and then you can also take them to other keys. Actually, special keys that I noticed that my viewers always flow with, which are most times C, F, F sharp mostly. Yeah. Now if I do a content on G, most times it doesn't go. Yeah, so I already noticed that. So though today's lesson is going to be on G, but then, so if you need the course, you should chat me up. My contact is on the comment section, and then you can also use my seller link. Store is on the about page of the channel. Just check that and then look for the intermediate piano course, and then you can make your purchase. And yeah, I'm getting testimonies and I like it. I love the sound of testimonies. Woo! All right. Actually, over time, everybody should learn to. I mean, if you have a chance to play on all keys, I play on all keys very well. Like, there's no key that holds me down. I play very well on any key. All right, so let's go back to the key where we are doing the lesson today, which is the key of G. Right. I'm just in the mode of playing church modes. In the key of C. So it goes like this. You have your 1 chord, which is G, B, and then D. Your 2 chord is A, C, E. Your 3 chord is B, D, and then F sharp. That's B minor, right? But then you don't want to do something like Holy Ghost, do it again. Then you get to 6. I mean, that sounds way too beginner. If maybe a beginner, you can just copy the ones I'm going to show you now and just learn them and start playing them. And people will love it, and they're like, oh brother, you were playing like a beginner yesterday, today you were playing like a pro. What has happened? And then you tell them, oh, I visited one Johnsonkeyz Music Academy on YouTube, and that's where I got my deliverance. I mean, right, so that's just cool. So imagine just turning that to Holy God, do it again. Woo! Do it in my life. Right. Okay, so let me quickly show you that. So it goes, I'll just show you the chords, because I've done this on some other keys. I've done it on F, C sharp, and some other keys. Yeah. Holy Ghost, do it in my life. Right, so I've done that key C sharp and some other keys. I've done it in F also. There's a video on this channel that has over 70,000 views where I actually taught this in the key of F. So today is key of G. Okay, so what are the chords, the tritone combination I'm using? So from my one chord, I've given the chords already. So I'm doing this tritone combination, which is on my left hand. I have my flat 1, minor 2, and then 5. That's the tritone. So that's the tritone for your 6. But we are not adding the roots, not on the left. So we have this tritone, then with your 4 inverted. Your 4 is this your 4. Okay, so the second inversion of your 4. Sorry, how did you get here again? Turn off. Right, so you have your let me just call the notes since I've done this in other keys. You have your A flat and D on left. On right you have a G, G, C, and E. Right, I was not saying that correctly. Okay, so then it takes you to your 2. So your 2, I'm doing a rootless voicing for 2 here, which is your 1. So the chord you are going to play for your 2 sounds like this. Your 1, your 3, your 4, and then your 6. Then you play your 1 chord actually with a kind of slug on the left hand, on the right hand. Then to the next tritone. So the first tritone, right? Then second tritone. Whoo! This sounds so gospel, like seriously gospel. Right. So the next tritone goes. What's the root of this tritone? The root is your 7. Right? But don't forget we are not doing root, you are just playing rootless stuff here. If you have a bassist, he has to worry about that, not you. Not really, but if you want to worry about it too, it's no problem. So to go to your 3 now, we've done 1, 2, 2 now. This one's to take us to. So this one's to take us to that 3. So you do your minor third and then your 6 on your left, minor third and your 6 on your left. In the key of then on your right hand you do your 2, 5, and 7. So you play around that. Then you do this out of major scale chord, out of the box. But that sounds great. Now you might need a basis here. Right, you might need a basis because this is your 3 actually, but it's a rootless 3. So you play your 2 major 7. This is your 1. This is your 2. I'll play the major. Am I correct? Sorry. You play your 5 major rather, not 2 major. 5 major. Your 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Build the major 7. So then invert that. Yeah, your 5 major 7 rather. Apologies. All right, so then you play your 2 major on that chord, and it sounds so crazy, right? Then it takes you to your 6, then to your 2, 4, 5, and then you can end the song depending on the singer, right? So if you want to learn just grab the intermediate piano course. You're going to learn a lot of great stuff, and which I taught like very carefully with practical examples. Even chords I didn't use here, I taught them, and how you can actually put them into your playing like right away by just watching that course. All right, see you in the corner room. God bless you. Bye.